Well, welcome once again to MGTracey, my channel for tips, trips and tunes. So a few years ago, 4 years ago, I made my first video about putting up an arch and having a wisteria on it. And a couple of years ago, I did another one. So I've had so many questions. How are they going? Has you had to repaint the frame? What's happened? Does it take the weight of the wisteria? There are links below for these sort of things on Amazon, or you can get them pretty much anywhere. But anyway, let me show what's happening with the wisteria, sort of 5 years on and 2 years on. So this is the arch and wisteria. This is just coming up to its third year now, and you can see it's made a really good start. If you have a close look here, you can see that the frame's lost some of its colour and the sort of bolts have gone rusty. That shouldn't matter too much, because what happens is the frame becomes entwined with the wisteria. Now you need to do a bit of training to make sure that it goes in and out like that. Does the frame collapse? No, but obviously it gets completely covered by the wisteria. This, to say, is a little bit further behind in that you haven't got any flowers. But let's have a look at the one from 5 years ago, because that's just starting to look really impressive. So this is the frame and the wisteria from 5 years ago. And again, if you look closely at the frame, yeah, there is some rust. I don't bother repainting it or doing any maintenance to it. We just let the plant really take it over. And it's almost May here in London, and you can see it's just starting to look really glorious, and it has an awesome smell as well. So I think this is 5 years old now, this plant, and it has a bit of a haircut, but you'll see you've got little bits that shoot off the top, and some of those will get trimmed later on, not now while it's flowering. And you can see how big this becomes. It's almost like a tree, and it really takes over completely the frame. Hopefully you can make that out there. So a lot of the questions are, will the frame take the weight? Well, it does, but to be honest, it's a guide. The weight is being taken by the plant itself. If we were doing this again, I think we'd probably put one on each side, plant one each side of the arch and let them meet in the middle, because you can't really train it to come down the other side very easily. So anyway, hopefully that puts your mind at rest. If you're going to put some time into creating something like this, they are glorious. It's lovely to be able to walk through, isn't it, and have that entrance to your garden. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Paul from London. I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.